Hi, my name is Kelcy Lyons, and my husband Travis Lyons is a Curicyn endorser. He's a horse trainer, a farrier, and an equine dental technician. And today I want to tell you about my favorite Curicyn product, and that is the Curicyn Wound Care Clay. This is my horse, Sweetie. She's coming on 15 this year. She is one of our main mounts at our house. She's my barrel horse. My husband, Travis, he ropes off of her. We cowboy on her, trail ride. My son, who is turning 8, just advanced to her, so he's been running barrels on her too. A couple years ago, I was at a barrel race and she came up lame in her back legs here, and we weren't sure what was going on. There was definitely some inflammation here. You can kind of see a little swollen today, not bad. We took her to the vet, no major issues. I think they call it stocking up when your horse, is used to being active every day and then might sit for a couple days. In the stall, they can get these wind puffs, and I don't know all the technical terms. I leave that up to my husband, but now that we use Curicyn products, I love to use this clay on her legs after we use her. So anytime we're at a rodeo or a barrel race, or even just here at the house, when we're done unsaddling, we'll go ahead and get a little bit of clay. Show you here. You can see there's fingerprints in it, and it's really easy to apply. But I like the wound care clay because it gives that coverage that sometimes I feel like maybe the spray doesn't penetrate all of her hair. You can tell she's got a lot of hair here. We've shaved her legs before, but it being winter, she's pretty hairy, and with the clay, I know it's gonna go ahead and be on there for a long time and be able to penetrate down to the skin and just reduce the inflammation. And this has been like a lifesaver in terms of being able to use her multiple days in a row, where in the past, if she experienced any swelling or inflammation, we might have to use a different horse in her place. And so this is my favorite go-to Curicyn product, especially for my Sweetie girl, who, like I said, she's one of our main horses, so we got to keep the good ones healthy so we can keep using them as long as possible.